available with advanced keyless technology. Control everything from your pocket, purse, or wherever. That's the power of German engineering.
Again, I'm sure he'd like to take it easy out of first base and then try his luck on belt, but didn't work that way. And now we were stuck in that spot where it just kind of spiraled at that point in a hurry, and that was a game.
You never knew what he was telling.